Hello, my name is Hervé. I'm from Orange, and this is Christy from Globitum. And we are very happy to introduce this Catalyst Phygital Store Phase 2. So, Phygital Store is to blend the physical and digital interaction between a customer and a digital service provider. It's also to deliver an omnichannel experience and to create a trusted ecosystem for end customer and third party.
The use case that we have for this year's Catalyst, the Phygital Store, has multiple touch points between Mary and Orange. Mary's son has dropped his phone and he is going to then file a claim on their mobile app. Once they have filed this claim and taken a photo of the broken phone and measured it against the insurance, then they'll go into the store where they will be greeted by a robot. In this case, the robot's name is Sandbot, and she will collect the information on Mary and her son and the reason for which they are coming into the store. Once this information is collected, they will ask her whether or not she would like to play a game with the robot, and based on the answers on the quiz that she is going to be taking and playing a game with, they will create a marketing profile. The consent for the use of the information gathered in this marketing profile is then managed through QualiCloud, which allows for a digital vault to be created with all of the information and data collected and the consent given for this data. The sales engagement will then be allowed to be propagated to the retail system in store, where the sales manager will have the information on the customer with a 360-degree view. This allows for cross-selling opportunities by the Orange, and then this information is propagated to the privacy dashboard.
So, I have a brief vision, high-level solution that we built for this Catalyst. So it's based on 4 solutions. Quality Trust solution first, that handles the claim and that furnishes the private vault also. We have a second component, Infonova R6, which handles ticket management. We have NTS Retail solution that handle welcoming, but also 360 view and point of sale for the mobile. And we have Orange that furnished the quiz, and Globitum, of course, that propose a loyalty program and the marketing profile. And added to these 4 components, we have also chatbot, artificial intelligence with IBM Watson solution, but also SurveyMonkey for survey management.
So the overall business value of this Catalyst is allowing for privacy marketing to take place. With the GDPR compliance and regulations coming into place, you can turn this business challenge into a business opportunity by allowing the customer to have control of the information that they have with Orange, and then to be able to control and monetize this information to third parties which are partnered with the company. You can also leverage your retail distribution and increase your Net Promoter Score. The Net Promoter Score will be increased and will allow the customers to become advocates of the product, as well as the company, enhancing the overall relationship and interactions with the company itself.
So, a brief view of the architecture and API. You can see that, as already mentioned, the solution is based on 4 components with Quality Trust, with Infonova R6, with Globitum, and with NTS Retail. And all these components are exchanging information with API format, API from TMF, but also specific API. And we have built also some mock to be able to have an end-to-end use case that you will be able to see on the booth directly.
So what's innovative about this Catalyst? This Catalyst allows you to create a trusted digital ecosystem. This has a master repository for all of the information that is collected by Orange on the customer. The active customer will be able to manage this, and then thereafter he will be able to monetize the information that is collected on him and manage who it is distributed to in an innovative way. The robot interaction in store allows for the sales representatives to be relieved of non-sales related activities, and then to be also able to provide the customer with a more innovative, fun, gamified approach to the in-store experience. This is enhanced by the natural understanding and language of Sandbot itself, or the robot, as well as allowing it to have natural speech and semantic language. And it also has emotions in terms of its expressions and its eyes based on the interactions it's having with its customer. Thank you very much.
So if we want to conclude also on Orange side, it was a pleasure to work with the 4 partners and to address one of the key objectives that we have, which is to reinvent the customer relationship using new solution, new features like robot, artificial intelligence, but also gamification, and also introduce GDPR, and the constraints GDPR should become a positive approach, an added value for Orange, an advantage, but also personalized loyalty, and also automation are key features that are going to be very useful in a short future for Orange. Thank you very much.